All right, what's going on, everyone? Today's October the 28th, 2022. We're going to talk about Google today. Earnings has came and gone, and the market didn't like it. You guys can see that from October 25th to the 26th, the market fell almost 9–10%, and it's still going down. The volume is increasing. What can we expect now in Google? Well, let's talk about it because it's not a hard thing. I wanted to tell you all before this run up in Google, before the earnings came out on 25th, this run up that we saw in Google was the market selling, because they understood, or those who have an insight to the information for Google say, let me go ahead and get out the market before the earnings release, because I already know that price is going to go down. Now, can it continue to go lower? Well, let's look at this on the weekly chart. Let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it real. You guys can already see that the idea of what we're seeing into the market in Google is, yes, we are in a downtrend into the market in Google. So everyone who comes out and creates a video or has content telling you all to come in and buy it, don't listen to them, because this chart is not indicating that. This chart is showing that rather than the market buying in Google, they're actually selling it. There's more sellers coming to the market in Google. And I'm here to tell you right now, not only are we seeing Google in a downtrend, this area right here is going to be even more impactful for Google to continue is move higher. Okay, so I would say around 105 to 108. This area now is resistance. So not only do the buyers have to break trend in Google outside of this downtrend line to become bullish, it now has to break this resistance area of 108 to the upside as well. That's a lot of weight, because it takes energy, it takes money, it takes buying in order to move the market higher. And look at this on this weekly chart. This is not good neither. Take a look at that. That's weakness. The volume is high as well too. So yeah, I think the overall easiest way for price movement is to the downside in Google. Here it is on the 2 weeks chart. Now I would tell you right now, in the next 7 days and 10 hours, which would be next week, if the market in Google is not trading above this level at 95.50, that's even weaker. Okay, it's even weaker. Now look at this. I got my overall long-term trend right there around 80. We could even see it hit 85.50. So from the purview of looking at this chart zoomed out, this definitely looked like it has a lot of room to go down, that the market may not be finished with the move down. Let's not make this hard. Let's not make this complicated. This game is created so that we can win. We just cannot be led astray by anyone else that tries to produce fundamental analysis and tell us that the revenue was great, but price is still going down anyway. We need to focus in on what the money is doing, not on what the business is doing. All right, so let me go ahead and put this on the chart, because I still suspect that Google is weak and that the market's going to continue to go down. We have 3 more days and 10 hours left, and this on the monthly chart is definitely weakness. All right, so it's not hard. I'm here to show you that this is not a complicated game. Not at all. So let me bring this in closer and let me give you those price targets. Now, as long as the market price in Google stays below 106 or 108, the market is still weak. And definitely, we're still trending down. Okay, so let me put this back on the daily chart, because I like to follow the market action in Google on the daily time frame. Okay, and we got 108. Well, let's keep it here around 106, 107. Now let's get to the price targets. Okay, the first price target is going to be right here at 90. It's not going to be a lot, but we can see buyers come back into the one. Now, from the monthly perspective, I definitely suspect and predict that price is not going to hold 90. Not from a monthly time frame. The next logical area that we can see support in Google, and my second price target, is around 86. So that's around 6.98%. So the 2 price targets right now is 90. That's the first price target. The second one is 86. Okay. And then a third one is going to be, let me see real quick. You know what? I'm just going to do 2. So we got $90 and $85. Let's do $90 as the first price target, and then 85 for the second. All right, done. Simple. Now all we got to do is just simply let the market work, and as time goes on, if anything changes, we'll come back in and reevaluate the situation. This is what it is right now from my perspective, and I want you all to give me yours. The comment section is open. Drop your price target for Google as we round out the end of the year. What do you think the price is going to be? And then make sure you maintain the profitability. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe to get more of this fantastic content of being ahead of the competition, our opponents, which is everyone else who comes in and buys and sells Google.